Oh, why, hello. So the next part of the project is to cut the shelves, or cut the wood for the shelves, and paint that up. We're going to be doing that now. And hot tub project is a little stalled because it is too cold for the foam to expand. Ha! Trying to figure out how to fix that, and yeah, so away we go. It's been about 20 minutes. This stuff's not really expanding that much, which is fine. Just gonna do another layer. So, 2 cans of that stuff is not quite expanding how I wanted it to. It's going to expand, I know that, but was hoping it would fill way more spots. And at this rate, I'm going to need about 12 cans of that stuff. So what I'm going to do is get the Big Gap sealer, which expands a lot more, and hopefully it'll fill up all these spaces. I'm going to get a couple more cans of that and see how that works. Oh yeah, that seems to work. Gives you the overhead view of the tub. So in this installment of my great tub, you can kind of see the great stuff isn't expanding. And well, that's because it's, hold on, 43 degrees in here right now. So what I did is I took my little oil heater, put the tub up on paint cans, and put the oil heater under it. So this whole thing is getting warmed from the bottom now. And this tub is probably 60 or 70 degrees. So we're going to try and do this again. And let's try this again. I do have one more can left. And we're going to see how this works. Hopefully this stuff is going to puff up like crazy. Okay, this tub is